Hello YouTube. This video is about trying to avoid a double chin. So, I have my YouTube channel. I'm also very active on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. And the other day, a company sent me corsets. While I was editing the video, I saw that I was showing a little bit of a double chin. So I read online that you can use a wash on the face. And I do feel that the body is very easy to mold. I'm going to get those bands, the ones that go all the way to the head. And the other one I'm going to get like this little thing that you put in your mouth and you blow. And just regular massages. I'm going to be massaging my neck a lot. And that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Let's see if it works. I do believe it's going to. I'll be showing you everything I'll be using. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a blessed day. I'll see you later. All right, so this one, and these are all from Temu. What? Okay. I think it goes on the chin. And now my ears should be out. So there it is, my ears are out. And then it has a back strap. I think this is how it's supposed to look. But this one, it's okay. Doing this next to the ear is really irritating, like extremely. You just hear it like right there, and it's really loud. All right, so I think this is how you're supposed to wear it. Now, remember, I want the pressure on my chin. Now, I just feel a lot of pressure on the head. It's not bad. My ear is not fully out. It's not the best, but it's still comfortable. So I think I'll keep this one. Let's try the next one. The Velcro here is really, really strong. So just keep that in mind. The Velcro on this one is extremely strong. And it's very stretchy. So I feel that on the area of the chin, it should be strong fabric. That's what I don't like. It's not strong at all. Like, it's just very stretchy. So like, I will give this 3 stars out of 5. Now this one was very smelly. Like, I just got them from outside because when I get items that are very, very smelly, I don't like to keep it in the house. I let it air out outside, usually on a sunny day. Surprisingly, it's not as smelly anymore. I'm confused here. I don't know if I'm wearing it the right way. This is stupid. My ears are not aligning. Look, my ears are over here, and then if I put my ears here, then it starts going back. You see? And that's not right. So this one just feels really weird. And the fabric is not as stretchy as this one. This one's very stretchy. I guess this is it. Now, what do you guys think? It's very, very uncomfortable. It's actually even hard to talk because it's my cheeks are all squished. But this one is very sturdy. Like, I feel that it's very strong. So that's what I do like. I just wish this was lower. It's hard to go down. I can't go down. It makes you kind of want to stay with the head up. Oh, this one's uncomfortable though. Like, I like it that it's very sturdy, but it's extremely uncomfortable. Every time I go down, it's making my head go forward, and you can see it's creating these wrinkles on my face. My smile wrinkles. So I think I might be returning this one because it's extremely uncomfortable. Like moving around, and then I feel like it's coming off. Look, if I keep moving my head, this is not comfortable at all, so I'll be returning this. And this actually was sturdy, but sadly it's just not looking good on me. Okay, so let's try this one. Now this has 2 holes, so I believe one is for my chin and the other one is for the lips. So let's start with the chin. All right, so you can see this is very, very thin, extremely thin. And my ears are comfortable here, sort of. Okay, so it does create a lot of pressure on my lips. Like I feel like it's like, you know, very, very tight. But this is my neck from the side. It's not uncomfortable. I kind of like it. It's hard to talk. So this is not bad. I do feel pressure on the neck. And it's very comfortable. So I think I'll be keeping this one. And I bought a lot just so I can try them on and see which one really works. Because that's what I like to do with a lot of items. I buy a lot and see which one's better. I do like this one. One of the things that I think is bad about wearing these things is that you could get a headache because of the tightness of the head. This one is similar fabric as this one. Okay, so let's see how this one looks. The fabric is very, very smooth. Okay, my ears are there. And that's how it looks. Again, my lips are very tight here. It does feel very, very tight. I would keep this. I think it's fine. Yes. I like to move because when you're gonna wear this, you're not just gonna be in one position. You're gonna be moving around. So with this one that I'm gonna be returning, I couldn't move because it was very restricting. And if I did move, it was moving the thing. Like it will be all over. Like I felt that it was going forward. So yeah, that's not gonna work out. So wait, I tried all of them already? Yeah, so these are the 3 I'm going to keep. And the other thing I bought is this. And it also says that it helps prevent a double chin. So this is it. It's kind of weird. Like, use the power of your mouth to exhale and blow continuously. So it's about blowing continuously. So the face can be refined. It's recommended to use it 1 to 2 times a day, 2 to 3 minutes each time. After each use, rinse with water and dry to store. It needs to be maintained for about 2 months to get noticeable effects. Okay, so I just have to blow. I don't know if I did it right. There's a way to make it that your cheeks really expand. So I just have to find out how to use this more. That's it, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. Again, I haven't used any of these. I just opened the packages today. Besos de mi boca no fueron suficientes para que te quedaras conmigo para siempre. No me alcanzó el cariño para verte contento. Te amaba como loca y no te diste cuenta. Resultaron falsas toditas tus palabras, tus manos me mentían cuando me acariciaban. Mi error fue darte todo cuando no vales nada. Me vas a extrañar, te apuesto lo que quieras que vas a buscarme y vas a llorar porque tú a mí jamás supiste valorarme. Te vas a acordar de todas nuestras travesuras, pero será muy tarde. Me vas a extrañar porque un amor como este no fácil se olvida y nadie sabrá todas las cosas que yo a ti te hacía, pero fue un error entregar mi corazón a quien no lo merecía. Voy a pedirte que no vuelvas más. Siento que me dueles todavía aquí adentro y que a tu edad sepas bien lo que es romperle el corazón a alguien así.